Hey YouTube, Radio Cammy here, and today, apparently my friend's trying to trick me or something, or her friend is actually on her account, but I'm kind of thinking that it's my friend kind of tricking me, so I'm going to try and figure that out. Okay, sorry about that pop-up. So, I said, hey. She said, who is this? See, look, right here. Who is this? No. At that time, I thought she was faking. Are you faking? No, this is Ashley's friends. What's your name then? She says, Kara, I don't believe you. Why? Because you sound a lot like Ashley. And then it goes on and on. She says, it isn't Ashley. Why don't you call her? And I said, why do you want me to? And she said she doesn't really care. Okay, I'm not going to go through all that. But I'm acting as a guy right now. And so then I text her again. Okay, hold on. Tell her to get on. And I say, I know it's you, Ashley. No, it's not. Who are you? Because she acts like I wasn't even there again. See, because she says, who are you right here? And then she does this. And then I pretend that I'm actually a different guy. And I say, I'm Zach. And she says, and I say, what's your name? She says, Kara. Cool. Cammy. Why is your username Cammy? And then I just made up, like, saying it's my sister's account. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Sorry about my other friends, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm seriously gonna get to the point where I actually ask her, where I'm gonna tell her that this video is going on YT. So if it's actually you, Ashley, tell me. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm gonna say, like, I'm gonna post it if you don't tell me if it's you or not, but yeah, I don't know yet. I'm gonna reload the page to see if she's still online. Okay. Actually, guys, while I'm at it, you guys are gonna have to see this real fast. But I actually have to go delete that video, so it gives me more room. I usually delete every single video that I have on here, just so it makes more room. It's been kind of slow right now because I'm in two things, and it's not deleting. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Okay, no thanks. Wait, hold on. Why are you on Ashley's ACC account? Which, that's what that stands for. Okay, yes. This is going good so far, guys. Sure, go ahead. No, it won't delete for some reason. I know for a fact. Yeah, see, she has her own, but she has one without Robux. Okay. Okay. Because this, guys, just a heads up, this is actually true. You don't need Robux to be cool. If people calls you a noob, that they're just wrong. They're just calling you names because they're jealous of how cool you are or something. Because they can't prove that you're a noob unless they actually go look at the day you joined. And if you're 1 month past when you joined, you're not physically a noob. Because usually a noob means a new player to the game, which is exactly what it means. So after you played for a month, you're not a noob. I'm not trying to call people noobs before you guys are playing before 1 month, but I don't like calling anybody a noob because it's just plain off rude. Oh my gosh. Wait. She doesn't even know that I'm actually a girl. She doesn't even, I just told her I'm recording. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I got this. Recording all of this. I'm gonna wait to say that. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be like so rude. I don't really know if it's considered rude or not. Sorry, I'm just seeing what friends are online. I'm gonna reload the page again, guys. Okay, she's still on. Thank gosh. It's really cold in my room right now. No? Okay. I have to retype that again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. By the way, if this is Ashley, I'm recording all of this. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a rude thing to say. Oh my gosh. This is a rude thing to say. Because, like, I don't really know if it's actually Ashley or not. So if it actually is her friend, it's pretty rude to say. I know how to figure out if it's Ashley or not, though, so. Okay, watch this, guys. Watch this. I'm gonna literally spam her with something. Oh yeah, okay, I know what to do. Actually, I can just copy it in Roblox. Okay, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna search up the definition. Okay. I'm gonna search up the definition, guys. I don't know why I just went to Google. I could have searched it right there. Okay. See right here. A person who is inexperienced in a particular sphere or activity, especially computing or the use of the internet. See? Oh, she was just texting right there. This isn't Ashley, and how are you recording it? By the way, guys, if you want to be a YouTuber, I suggest you use Screencast-O-Matic because it's a really good recorder. Oh my god. Because Ashley will get really mad because if somebody's spamming, because it will blow up her phone. And if it is Ashley, she'll just unfriend me because I'm not that stupid. Because whenever somebody's blowing up her phone or annoying her, she literally just unfriends them because she did that to one of my other friends. Oh! She says, why are you recording this? Yeah, see, she said stop. That means I keep going. Okay, watch. I will stop doing that. I will do this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is how rude I am to her sometimes. I'm gonna give her a little bit of time to text. I don't even know if she's typing or not. I'm not really paying attention. She's gonna hate me after this. And then I'll have to explain to her why. If this is actually Ashley, I'm gonna have to explain to her why I did it. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I'm working on making a shirt, but I need Builders Club. So I'm trying to get a shirt, like get Builders Club so I can actually make a shirt. Cause I'm gonna need people to buy it so I can get money into the group funds. And I'm probably gonna put it out really cheap, so the group funds will go up pretty slowly, probably. She got ignored by me, I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh, this is like, I'm pretty sure it's lagging out everything. Okay, I'm not trying to be rude to her or anything, but yeah, this is like lagging now. Cause now it's saying error. Cause I like lagged it out. Oh my gosh. Look how much I just lagged this out. I'm literally lagging out this whole thing. I've never done that before. Yeah, see how much errors there are? Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, see, look. I lagged it out. Let's see if I can even type to her. Yeah, I can't type to anybody. My Wi-Fi just turned off. Oh my gosh, guys. This is what I hate sometimes about this computer. It can lag out on me. Okay. I don't know if I want to go do that again. And I don't want to like record for too long. Okay, yeah guys, this will be the end of the video. I will possibly make a part 2 to see if it was actually Ashley. So yeah, have a great day. Subscribe, like, comment for what kind of videos you want me to make. The Robux giveaway might be coming up soon. And hit that bell so you know when I'm live or when I upload a new video. And as always, bye guys!